Okay, so with that in mind, I'm going to show you my last and final effect as a true nerd, because that's what I am. You laugh. I am protected. Protection is important. You know that. Wait, where is it? Ah, I can't see that well in these. Ladies and gentlemen, the first trick I ever learned was changed my life. I saw a magician on stage. He did what I thought was a miracle. He took a shiny box. Ooh, what is this? This is a sneaky peeky reflector. Each one of you will get one of these to take home at the table today. It's a convex lens. But here's what's cool about this. You can take this lens, each one of you gets a square. You put it on your cell phone, you can see behind you when you walk. You put it on your book at school, you can see the kids in the back of the class. It's very exciting. Don't forget to get your package. Woo! Okay, now where was I? Oh yes, I was going to do the first trick I ever learned. You ready? Ready. This enthusiasm is killing me.
Hey,
yeah. Let me hear from the girls. Are you ready? Let me hear from the boys. You've been there, huh? Okay, where was I? Ah, yes. Oh, I can take the handkerchief, and I put it in my hand like this, and I squeeze on it. If I pull it out the other side, it looks like it's starting to change color. The first magician I ever saw did this trick. I waited behind stage for nearly an hour, and I begged the magician. I said, Mr. Magician, you just gotta teach me that. You just gotta. And you know what he said? No. Do you know why? That's right. First rule of magic is never tell your secrets. That's how come you guys have never seen a lady magician before. Men think we can't keep secrets, but we can amongst ourselves, right? So if I tell you my secret and you don't tell anybody, it's still a secret, right?
Right.
The girls are like, yeah, I'm advised. The big secret is to pursue what makes you curious. If you find yourself mildly curious about beetles, start a file at home on beetles and clip everything out that you see. If you find yourself mildly curious about what's that smell, think of it as a sign. Your curiosity is an emotion. When you're curious about something, pursue it, and you will find your way like no one else. You see, I've done this. I just used an extra handkerchief, and I've hidden it inside of the purple one. Can you see it? Just go with me, see it.
Yes.
Can you see it? Here, I'll take this one, and I'll poke the inside like this, and I'll pull the yellow one out from the inside of the purple one. Are you cussing? Did you just make a cuss word with your mouth? Look at this, is a silent cusser right here. Pieces. What I did was easy. I secretly took the purple one. Now, nobody's supposed to know about the yellow one in the beginning. This is my secret part, right? So I take this just like this, just like that, and I hide this one, whoops, like this. So your fingers are over here, and you're watching this way. And I just never open this paper. All right, here's the deal. It's your life. It's your experiment. You might think that you've made a mistake. You might be feeling strangled by a choice that you make. But in the long run, and I know it's a speech, if you have good parents, you hear a lot, in the long run, things tend to work out. So take risks. Pursue what's curious. Be willing to be bad at stuff. Remember, your parents aren't as smart as you, so don't show off for them too much. Okay? And make them gentle. You get smiling really big. Your dad's really dumb, isn't he? But given the case, if you're feeling strangled by your present situation, know that science and math can take you all over the world. So pursue it. Ask good questions. And my final piece of advice is, when you grow up and go off to college, and all of you I intend to see in college, sit in the front of the class and ask questions early. If you're the first person to ask a question in a class and you sit at the front, you almost always are given an A. That's true. Ready? 1, 2,